Hey everyone, this is Dan Caruso, Support Director here at Agency Access. Today we're going to go through a quick video of how to delete lists from your account. You can also check out some of our articles on our Help Center for more information at help.agencyaccess.com. Okay, now once you're logged into your account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you're going to go ahead and click the Go to List button, or you can use the list icon in the navigation bar on the left-hand side. Now once you're on your list page, you're going to be able to see all the lists you've previously built and saved in the account. So from here, you have the option to delete an individual list by selecting the three-dot menu option on any one of your lists and selecting delete, and then you can go ahead and select delete from here. The other option is to delete multiple lists at a time. So if you select multiple lists, you're going to get this toolbar on the bottom, and from here you'll be able to select the three-dot menu option again and select delete, and this will delete multiple lists at once. Okay, so that's it for today, everyone. As mentioned earlier, should you have any further questions regarding this topic, please feel free to check out our Help Center at help.agencyaccess.com. Thanks.